Today in this video, we're going to be talking about 4 email marketing hacks that's going to put more money in your pocket. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and I wanted to make this video for you guys, and I created a special presentation for you to actually give you some information about email marketing. Now, if you can actually implement these 4 email marketing hacks that we're going to be talking about in this video, you can absolutely increase your affiliate revenue and commissions as you are marketing in your business. Now, a lot of money is actually generated via email. You probably know yourself that you buy a lot of products and services off of emails that you receive. So if you can perfect these hacks and you can implement them in your actual business, you can actually increase your affiliate commissions as well. So without further ado, I'm actually just going to jump right into this presentation. And if you get some value, make sure you hit that like button and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're going to go ahead and jump right into this presentation. And again, we're going to be talking about email marketing and the fastest way to increase your sales. Now, when you have an affiliate marketing business, there's a lot of different metrics that you can go off of to determine your success. But one of the best metrics to determine your success, more than all of those metrics, are email open rates. So when you improve your email open rates, your sales will quickly follow. Email is by far the #1 way to make sales when it comes to digital products, and it's only natural because the more emails you actually get open, the more sales you actually make. So it just makes sense, right? If you get more emails open, the more clicks you get, the more sales you'll actually make. So the first strategy we're going to be talking about is the benefit of the benefit. Most people use the straightforward benefit when it comes to their subject line. So we're going to be talking about, guys, today is how to improve your subject lines, because that's going to give you the higher open rate. So when we talk about the benefit of the benefit, most people will put a subject line similar to what you see here on the screen. And they may want to sell a product on email marketing, and they may say, grow your email list fast, and that will be the subject line. But what you want to do is you want to basically express the benefit of the benefit. Now, that subject line isn't bad, but if you want to increase your open rates, what's the benefit of growing your email list? Understand, guys? What's the benefit of growing your email list? What is it? Passive income, freedom to travel, the ability to spend more time with your family. Once you lock in that benefit, you'll be able to write much more engaging headlines. So instead of saying how to grow your email list fast, you can write a subject line, something like how to spend more time with your family, or how to make money while you're at your daughter's soccer game. So those are way more engaging and more emotionally driven headlines, because that is the benefit of the benefit. So it's not just growing your email list. What does your email list do for you? It gives you more money, it gives you more time, it gives you more opportunity to spend with your family. So these are just examples that I just gave you. It is really up to you to know your customer and know what they value. So that's how you would use that information to go ahead and structure your particular subject line. Number 2 is the blind subject line. The blind subject line. Now, this subject line doesn't give a ton of information about the email, but it should make for an irresistible open. So one of my favorite blind subject line is the most dangerous website in the world. The most dangerous website in the world. You have no idea what I'm talking about. You just know that the website itself is supposed to be dangerous. So when you actually open up the email could then go on to explain how websites can waste your time, like Twitter and Instagram. These websites can be dangerous. And then of course you could then segue into an alternative website that can change that reader's lives, and you can tell them about your product or your service or your business opportunity. So again, we said the most dangerous website in the world, and we can talk about how a lot of these websites, these social media websites, they just waste your time and you're not getting anything done, you're not being productive. But here's a website that's going to help you learn how to make an additional $100 a day and give you the freedom and time to spend with your family. Check the link below, right? So that is the blind subject line method. Now, to give you a hint on how to write great blind subject lines, I would definitely take note on headlines that are used by journalists in big papers and magazines and different publications, because often the headline is less about the story and more about the twist that gets the click. Now, I do want you to beware of using clickbait, because clickbait, you don't want to do that, because that's just going to make your subscribers upset, and then they're going to end up unsubscribing from your email list. So you don't want to deceive them. You just want to basically have a email subject line that is going to entice them to open it, but it does need to be congruent with the actual email copy and what you're trying to sell them on the other side. So strategy number 3 is proof and credibility. So this subject line answers the question, why should I listen to you, or why should I trust you? So what you want to do is you want to provide proof and credibility in your emails and your subject lines whenever you can. So an example of that would be, he was just on CNN, right? That's kind of a powerful subject line. 500 leads in 24 hours, proof inside. So it's telling you, I got 500 leads in 24 hours and I'm showing you the proof. That's going to make somebody say, I want to figure out how they got 500 leads in 24 hours. $10,000 from one company, screenshot. You know, proof and credibility will definitely lead to more opens. Again, that's going to lead to more clicks and more money in your pocket. And lastly, we have strategy number 4, which is urgency. So remember to only use this style subject line when it only makes sense. But I will tell you that when you do use a sense of urgency, a sense of scarcity in your emails, that will result in a higher open rate as well as higher conversions on your sales page when there's a sense of urgency. But again, I definitely want to warn you guys to be ethical about it. Don't just use it frivolously and just try to scare people or force people into opening your emails and buying your products. Be ethical about it, because we just want to do things the right way. So closing in 24 hours is a great subject line, or last chance would be another good example of a good subject line. Warning, final email, this is it. So people see that and they're like, let me see what it is. They open it up and they'll click through, and a lot of people will go ahead and buy when they think that something is closing or this is the final chance for them to purchase something, just because of FOMO, which is fear of missing out. So I hope these 4 strategies help you increase your open rates, which in turn will bring you much more sales. If you haven't begun growing your email list, this is the most important element to building your online business, guys. You have to be building your list. It's true, it's cliche, but the money is in the list. So if you do need some help building your list and making a couple extra $100 per day with your affiliate marketing business, be sure to check out the website in the description below, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.